Good morning, everybody. Assalamu alaikum. Namaste. Sat Sri Akal. How's everybody? Today is a very special day. Why? 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 I will let you know soon. Maybe because of the title, you knew it already. I'm going to High Street to switch on the Christmas lights. Yay! Christmas is already here, guys. And it's only 18th of November and Christmas has already arrived. So let's go to High Street to switch on the lights. Before we go there, wait a minute. Before we go there, before we move on, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Come on, hit the subscribe button now to make it #1 channel. And soon you will be proud of this channel that you are a member of it. So let's go and switch on Christmas lights. Wait, before we move on, I have done my haircut. Yeah, what do you think, guys? Yeah, don't I look smart? Yes, I look smart. Yes. Let's go and open the Christmas lights. Oh yeah, love it. Look how tall they are. Bloody hell. guys? Are you gonna perform?
Yeah.
Soon? Now?
Yeah.
Way! Alright.
ਸੋਹਣੀਏ ਜੜਦੀ ਜਵਾਨੀ ਜਦੋਂ ਹੋਵੇ ਹਲਦੀ ਉਦੋਂ ਸੋਹਣਿਆ
to everybody. You got one fan down there.
GBU. Is she with you?
There you go, we have taken Santa's picture as well.
Okay, not yet. I need to, hang on. We need to check we're ready. Now we need to count, you need to count from 10. No. It's not 5 o'clock yet. It's not 5 o'clock yet. We need to practice. We're going to count to 5, okay? But you can't count down. So, from 10 to 5. 10. No. You need to count as loud as you can so the guys upstairs can hear it, and the button will do the pressing, and we can only when we get to 0. So from 10 to 5. 10. No. Can you count with us, please? Are we ready, Slough, for this Christmas switch on 2017?